Right then, boys and girls, here we go. Look, mini pickup, but with a difference. You're never going to end up with, well, you're not going to end up with much rock because it's fiberglass, the whole thing. So there she is, look. It's mainly really been used for advertising purposes, as you can see. Look, beekeeping supplies, honey products, etc. Nice chap dropped it off the other day. Comes with another engine, I believe. He was going to bring it up the following morning. I didn't actually see him come myself, but I'm sure it's going to be here somewhere. As I say, the little motor is a little flyer, he says, because of course it's lighter than it arguably should be. Sorry about the wind, it's ever so windy. So in there, of course, looks very much like a Mini, like it should. Owner's manual and whatnot in there. Even the doors feel like they're fiberglass. They can't be surely, but they feel it. Are them doors fiberglass as well? They are?
Yeah.
Everything?
Everything is, yeah.
Yeah, there you go, fiberglass, yeah. Oh wow, look at that. That looks steel. Anyway, I don't know. A lot of it is fiberglass. We're not even bothered about the mileage of it. It's showing 75, but I mean, it means nothing. Floor's all fiberglass, look. So, what a brilliant concept, really. If you think about it, let's be fair. Biggest problem with a Mini is rot. Few spares in the boot, look. Odds and sods. So, there you go. Come down, have a little look. To be fair, the bonnet lifts off. I'm not going to try and lift it off with one hand, it'll all go wrong, won't it? Especially in this wind. Yeah, excuse me. So come down, have a little look, see what you think. Thank you.